What's up, people? It's the Rubber Duck 2.0 as cousins for days or whatever, something like that called me. Anyway, we're back. We're playing tanky, and we're ready to rock. All right. So, yeah, I'm not sure. Today's a good day. I just was being really awesome earlier. I figured, hey, I got just about 10-15 minutes left. Ready, whatever, to make a video. So I figured, let's make a video. So, how y'all doing today? Please like my stuff, comment below what you thought about it, and please hit that subscribe button because I really appreciate it. Now, we are playing Team Deathmatch. My tank is a Wasp hull with a Firebird turret. So, we're doing pretty good on this. It's like a level 11 or 12, and the hull is like a level 11 or 10, whichever behind. It's behind the thing. So, and I'm listening to FGL, so FGL's awesome. This is how we burn down a night, shooting bullets at the moon, baby. This is how we roll. We roll into town with nothing else to do today. Another lap around. You holler at your boy if you need a ride. If you want a need, yeah, you know we high on the 37 needle. There's no standing on the seat.
It's you again.
My baby is in the shotgun cedar. And kisses up on me, automatic like a crypto. You like I live in might not be for you, but it's for me though. Yeah. These things will always get me, these little bridge thingies. And we're gonna roll aside. Watch it. Oh, nope. Okay, not today. Quit hogging it up. That's how you take care of road. That's the proper way. Road rage. Road rage is not a good thing unless you're in tanky. And then we go up. Oh. Health box, because who doesn't love health boxes? Carpet. Who puts their carpet over the doors? Comment below if you put carpet over your doors. I don't know anybody who does that. I order you to move. We're proud to be young. We stick to our guns. Love and love. Now we wanna have fun. Yeah, we cuss on them Mondays. Rain on them Sundays. Hey, 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 hey. Brrrr.
Oh, hi, Waffles.
Oh yeah, if you hear somebody in the background, it's my brother. Check him out at Josh Walker on his YouTube channel. Check out Cousins for Days, their YouTube channel. They're the ones who called me a Reduct 2.0 because yeah, they knew me when I had the other channel, so we did videos with them. So if you want to see that, go check out my other YouTube channel, Daniel Walker. It's some pretty cool stuff. But I expect this YouTube channel to be even better than last time. Now we're really glitching. No. Not shooting bullets at the moon, baby. We're turning around. It's really glitchy. It's my internet. My internet's really crappy, and whenever I make a video, it just gets even crappier. So I cannot help it. It's just how life works. Now I have shift. Now we're gonna hit shift. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, see, I couldn't do anything because of the lag. Y'all see that, but you know what? I think someone just ranked up. Did you just rank up? I just ran into a 3. That's not okay. That's okay, Big Bench. Okay, you know what? I have no idea what that is. Girls, he's playing the prairie, Rocky Mountain Highs. You don't do the distance like those. You piece of crap. Next, smoking white lines. So yeah, like I said before, if you want to see more of my stuff that I did before, watch the other 2 videos that I just recently made, or go to my other YouTube channel, Daniel Walker, and yeah, check it out. A lot of cool stuff, somewhat cool stuff. I think it's cool because obviously I made it, but yeah. Where are we going? Boom. That's where we're going. Minute and 30 seconds. Alright. Nuke box. Oh. Bunch of hay bales. Last time I checked, they did not have hay bales in the Middle East. Thank you. So apparently... Oh, ditch. Giant ditch. I don't want to land in the ditch. Blah, 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 blah. Meow. Boom. That's how we do it, people. That is the proper road reach. I knew that was going to happen. I knew that was going to happen. Whoosh. Wait a second. Somehow that didn't work the way I wanted it to. Oh yeah, and if you're on Tanky, please friend me because I really appreciate friends. So yeah, please friend me at r__ bullrider6. I really need friends. Alright. We go to the top of that. We're gonna exit. And people, I know this was a really short video, but I can't deal with the lag, so have fun, enjoy your day, and right for now, Rubber Duck is out.